Naruto begins in a time of relative peace, after the world has moved from its era of mythical creatures and feudalism to one of the most terrifying powers. The five great nations now exist, all of which maintain their powers and stability through the armies of ninjas who have mastered chakra-based fightings. The extreme powers of these nations and their warriors leads to something akin to a Cold War. Constant struggle falls by the wayside, with only occasional great wars breaking the peace. The series picks up a generation after Third Shinobi War, a brutal conflict in which untold number of fighters died. The ninja world has been plagued by war and conflict for the majority of its history. One of these wars created three orphans from the village hidden in the rain, who were left to suffer and languish in the destruction of their homes. These orphans, Yahiko, Konan and Nagato, were taken in by Jiraiya and trained to defend themselves against the dangers of the world. Jiraiya shared his dream of peace with them, giving them hope that the war destroying their country would one day end. This hope inspired Yahiko to create an organization dedicated to ending war, revenging their homes, the Akatsuki. Much of what the Akatsuki believe is found in their name. It translates to dawn or daybreak, nodding towards the idea that they wish to bring forth or a new world where war is impossible. Written as Akatsuki, it literally translates as red moon, a reference to the technique that a later leader hopes to cast upon the world. The red moon is the case reference to the infinite Tsukuyomi, a jutsu that places the entire world in the dreamscape without conflict. At that time, Akatsuki was originally founded by Yahito during the Third Shinobi War and consisted of Amegakure ninjas that wished to create peace for their home country, which acted as a battleground for three of the five great shinobi countries. The Akatsuki are some of the most iconic villains not only in the Naruto but of all time. They are everything that a good villain should be. They are mysterious, intimidating, powerful and complicated characters. However, before Akatsuki was a group of world-renowned criminals, they were a group of heroes. Despite their fall from grace, a small piece of Akatsuki's original goal still existed in their corrupted group, making their downfall all the more tragic. The Akatsuki was not originally a militaristic group. They did not use violence to eliminate their opponent, but instead attempting to create the peace through pacifist means. Under Yahiko's leadership, the Akatsuki gained more supporters and recognition from their activism. If the group has been allowed to continue without interference, they would probably have succeeded in ending the war and would have been regarded as heroes. However, that didn't happen. The leader of the village hidden in the rain, Hanzo, viewed the Akatsuki as a threat to his powers and worked with Danzo to eliminate them in an ambush. During that ambush, Yahiko killed himself to protect Nagato and Konan by stabbing himself through the kunai which Nagato was holding in his hands. He did that because Hanzo gave Nagato choices of either saving Konan or killing Yahiko, and Yahiko chose his own demise. And this is where everything started going the wrong way. He hoped that the two of them would carry on his dream and the goals of the Akatsuki. After this event, Nagato's worldview was shaken. He still wanted to live in a peaceful world, but he no longer believed that it could be done without violence. More importantly, after the death of Yahiko, pain made Yahiko's principle of understanding of sufferings into a very core of his philosophy. He believes that no one can understand the value of peace without first experiencing firsthand the horrors of war. He makes a point in teaching suffering to anyone he speaks to, making sure that they would see what they hold dear destroyed before their eyes. He is highly sensitive about it and dislikes when someone criticizes his beliefs or believes in something else. However, he is not opposed to the idea of confronting points of views with his foes. Although this is how real Akatsuki started, Obito and Black Zetsu noticed these things and his ideologies, and reinforced this idea and convinced him that the world could never be at peace without the use of force. Those with power would always enact pain and suffering on those weaker unless they were made to experience the same pain. Nagato would achieve peace through war and violence, untying the world through shared anguish and trauma. With this new ideology, Nagato created the new Akatsuki, a group of villains dedicated to their goals. Of course, Nagato was once kind, emotional and sensitive boy, very quiet, withdrawn and prone to crying. He heavily disliked prospect of killing even to save his friends, but wanted nothing more to protect them and to make the world better place for everyone. Due to his past, he had a strong distrust towards Konoha ninjas, but would form a close bond with Jiraiya. He regarded his friends and his masters as examples and worked hard to emulate them, admiring Yahiko's strong will and determination and calling Konan as his angel. But when he became Pain, he has become serious, aloof, cynical, brutal and relentless. He believed that the suffering he experienced enlightened him, making him rise above the humanity towards godhood. He is extremely composed and indifferent, barely showing surprises even when Naruto drove him to the corner. Moreover, he mercilessly destroys oppositions and obstacles, killing thousands without battling an eyelid, even when said obstacle is his former teacher. Due to the tragedies he suffered, he has grown heavily delusional and openly scorns Jiraiya's ideals of mutual understanding as a pointless delusion. Under new leadership, Akatsuki's modus operandi become far more bloody and their goal of peace became twisted beyond recognition. However, as powerful as they are, the various Akatsuki incarnations differs widely in their approaches, goals and methods. The original group was founded as a means of restoring peace to the war-torn land and were led by the morally sound and charismatic Yahiko. However, thanks to meddling of Obito, himself being manipulated by Black Zetsu, the Akatsuki name quickly descended into infamy, attracting a more of unfavorable type of ninjas. The group started amassing tailed beasts to execute Obito's infinite Tsukuyomi plan, and although members steadily began to fall at the hands of allied village shinobi, Akatsuki always remained a prominent threat. When Masashi Kishimoto first envisioned the concept of Akatsuki, he originally intended for the group to be far more monster-based than the finished product, with no human characters involved in the organization at all. This can be seen in the inclusion of figures such as shark hybrid Kisame and the plant-like Zetsu, who were retained from the Kishimoto's original ideas. Kakuzu also started out as a more fantastical-looking entity in the earlier designs and was based on the Kuchisake Onna creature from Japanese mythology. As the beast influence was dialed down in the favor of more human presence, the likes of Kakuzu and Sasori became less outlandish and fully fleshed humans like Deidara and Itachi. This signifies what Kishimoto was planning to do with Akatsuki. This group would repeatedly be usurped and manipulated by outside forces. Obito, Madara and Black Zetsu would use organization for their own purposes. Yahiko's dream of peace would continue to be diluted and distorted with each new manipulator. The Akatsuki has been transformed into a grotesque mockery of what the original organization stood for. Nonetheless, the tragic story of the Akatsuki does end with a happy ending. The group was redeemed by Naruto Uzumaki. Before their death, Nagato and Konan both trusted Naruto to carry on Yahiko's dream of peace. They believed that Naruto understood the importance of peace and could succeed where they had failed. When Naruto united the ninja world during the 4th Shinobi War and created a lasting alliance, he didn't just accomplish his goals but the goals of the original Akatsuki created by Yahiko all those years ago. And I think that wraps up about today's video, guys. This was the video about how Akatsuki was created and what exactly happened that made them change their goal from peace to destruction. And I think that's for today's video, guys. Let me know your thoughts about this video in the comment section down below and let me know which is your favorite character from Akatsuki group. And also don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel because I post daily anime content about top 10 top 5 listings, anime reviews, recommendations, news, theories and all sorts of anime content on daily basis. So if you enjoyed, please subscribe, and that was it, and I will see you in the next one. Sayonara.